In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Instagram. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open the Instagram app on your phone, then go to the profile of the person that you wish to block. Once you are inside of their profile, tap on the three dots that you see at the top right. Then select the option block. As you can see, Instagram is going to give you a small warning saying that the person that you're blocking won't be able to message you or find your account. The person that you blocked won't be notified that you blocked them, and also you can unblock them at any time using settings. Once you make your decision, go ahead and tap block. When you have someone blocked, this is the message that you will see on their profile. This account is private, meaning that you can't see their content because you just blocked them. Hope that helps.